Okay, before I get started on the watch list video for Monday, August 28th, quick reminder, our back to school special is winding down. This is the last chance in 2017 to get a lifetime membership to our chat room. And not only a lifetime membership, but it's literally less than a 1 year membership right now. So this almost never happens. So sales winding down. And also our last live day trading course is in September. And this will be the last one in 2017. So they're both listed in our back to school special. I'll put the link in the description to this video. Okay. Okay. So the SPY is pretty narrow range on Friday. It's chopping sideways for 3 or 4 days now. So for me, that just means I can go ahead and build a normal watch list. There's no huge anomaly in the SPY. So I'm going to start with this IDXG, which I really like this pop, and it's flagging now. I want to have this one on long watch. MOSY. Big volume day on Thursday, kind of a quiet inside day on Friday. It certainly looks good over Friday's high, so we'll keep our eyes on that one. Oops, XCO is what I meant to type there. XCO, big volume day on Friday. It closed well off its highs, but it did have, there's the nice run on 5-minute candles, and it's kind of flagging since then. It's still interesting if it gets up around 220. In my opinion, kind of a flag break. That volume's pretty interesting, so I want to watch XCO. Lumber Liquidators had this huge move and it's been flagging ever since and starting to break to the upside. So this one might have some more room in it. I want to watch that one for a potential long. American Eagle AEO gapped up on Wednesday, sold off. Then Thursday kind of took out Wednesday's high but sold off again. And then Friday closing near the 3-day high. So this one is a potential long in my opinion. Remember, I'm a day trader, not a swing trader. SQNS, nice volume on Wednesday. 2-day pullback on declining volume. Watch that one for a turn back up on Monday. XXII, I talked about this one as a swing trade when I called it at 207 the other day. The very next day went to 234. And you've got a couple red days on much lower volume. This one might be ready to rip higher again. I want to keep my eyes on that one. SVU, Bounce Watch. Big down day here, and I think this was all on Amazon and Whole Foods closing their deal or whatever. And I think, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how these grocery stores are affected. But this one came down, to the support area. Actually took it out. Big volume the last couple days. But we can kind of glance at Kroger's kind of turning back up. Costco looks good, like it's bottomed here at 150. So anyway, I'm going to watch SVU, see if it can break an early high, something along those lines. MRVL. Nice pop on big volume on Friday, closing well off its highs, but kind of like that XCO. I had a nice pop and flagging all afternoon. This one might have a continuation day in it. We'll see what happens. Possible inflection point. The whole number 17 might come into play. We'll see how it trades. SHIP, and you want to watch all the shippers. Almost have to pan out for this to look better, if that's weird. But you kind of have a little cup and handle going on, and it's trying to break through the 200-day to the upside. A little bit of extra volume lately. Like other shippers like ESEA look like they're trying to turn up. EGLE. So I don't know. These little baby shippers are worth watching this week. I've chosen to watch SHIP for a potential long. HMNY gapped up, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, sold off, and then popped again, flagged. And you know what? It's like if you look at the gap up back here, it sold off. Then you had this one gap up and just nothing, right? Now this one is certainly finding buyers a lot better than it did back here. And I don't know, this thing can rip at times. So Friday's high was 374. The high of the gap up day was 384. So let's watch. Maybe we get a flag with 374 and 384, above as a couple stacked catalysts. I definitely want to keep my eyes on this one. I don't know if I should go into the story here behind this. It's a little weird, and I probably won't because I'm a day trader, but it's definitely in the news lately, and it's worth watching. PSTG, really nice volume breakout on Friday, and if you pan out, you can see it certainly had issues with this $15 area. Here, and let's see, let me go back. That's all-time trading, so I guess sort of a relatively new issue for the past couple years, I guess. But it certainly looks good over 15. I would remind you that, it's come a long way in one day to get there. So I almost think this needs to flag for a few days and then go. But we'll start watching it on Monday. And then last I have this MSDI, which I don't know what popped this thing on Friday. But it closed pretty strong. maybe a follow-through day on Monday. We're going to add some gappers to the list as well. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see everybody on Monday.